Hey, myself Rajendra. Hope you all are healthy and safe at home. It is my great pleasure here today to launch my Part 3 document control course, which is a continuation of Part 1 and Part 2, which was launched earlier. There are few elements here so that it will enhance your knowledge and tell you what are the main criteria for managing documentation in organization. The course contains 4 lectures. First lecture is about transmittals, document control management and transmittal, which will talk about the use of transmittal in controlling documentation and how many types of transmittals are there and how to use them to track the movements of document in organization. Lecture 2 is correspondence management, which will give knowledge about correspondences in the organization, how many correspondences are there and how to control them through the correspondence register and how to close them and how to track the open and close correspondence to avoid the confusion during the projects. Third is vendor documentation, which is different from the in-house generated documents. Here we are going to learn what is vendor documentation and how they are controlled through vendor document register and management of entire vendor documentation is explained in this lecture. Lecture 4 is about final documentation, which will teach you how to prepare final documentation in the end of the projects and what are the ways of managing all the data which are generated during the projects. This is the last topic in the course. Hope I have covered all the topics in my Part 1, Part 2 and Part 3 programs. I would like to thank my participants who have enrolled in my courses earlier and given a good review and shown their interest in learning more about documentation. Part 3 will end the course of document management, and if anybody want to learn more thing, they can write me on my personal email ID, which is shown on the screen, and I wish everybody a good luck and thank you for your participation.